Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you what to do if your device doesn't want to turn on. The most common reason for that is your device being discharged, so just check if your device is properly plugged to the power source. Check the charging cable, it has to be connected to the charging port on the right edge of your device, and the indicator next to the charging cable should be glowing. Now check the AC adapter connection with your laptop and check the connection with the power socket. Check if there are any visible damages on your charging peripherals, and try turning on your device. Check if the power indicator starts glowing. It has to start glowing either orange or white. And in case nothing happens, maybe your device isn't being properly charged, I highly recommend using an original charging AC adapter that looks like this. But if you're using a substitute, then make sure that it provides your device with at least 45 watts of power like the original one, because otherwise your device will not be able to charge properly. And also make sure that you're not using an original, not using a cheap AC adapter from unreliable source. Cheap AC adapters can break your device's battery. If you checked everything and everything looks right to you, then make sure that your device wasn't exposed. If your device was exposed to either extremely hot or extremely cold temperature for a significant period of time, it's very common for laptops in such state to not be able to turn on, since your hardware might be either frozen or overheating, and you should unplug the charging cable in such case and leave your device to rest for up to 12 hours sometimes. Then plug in the charging cable once again and try powering your device on. Now if none of this helps you, then the only solution would be to contact the HP customer support service and tell them about your issue, seeing how they can help you. Maybe you'll have to send your laptop to them, or just maybe alternatively you can just head to the nearest repair center and let them take a look at your laptop and your battery, because your laptop might need a battery replacement because it simply got old and doesn't charge anymore. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.